What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY coconut milk deep conditioner that's super fluffy in consistency and perfect for curls. This coconut milk deep conditioner has tons of benefits. It's high in fatty acids and it also promotes scalp health and hair strand health, which in turn helps promote hair growth and healthy hair. So it's a super simple recipe that really penetrates the curls and promotes absolute shine and moisture in the hair strands. This deep conditioner softened my curls and left my hair looking super moisturized and amazing. I definitely recommend that you guys give it a try because it may be able to have the same effect on your curls. Here's how to make this super simple coconut milk deep conditioner. You want to start off with a can of full fat coconut milk. Any other type of coconut milk won't have the same effect as this one. And you want to place that can of full fat coconut milk in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Placing it in the freezer won't have the same effect, so just make sure that you're patient and leave it in the fridge. So after, you want to take it out and open it upside down. The coconut milk and fat have separated at this point, so you'll have easy access to the fat at the bottom and the coconut milk at the top. Once it's open, just go ahead and drain the liquid from the can. Once you do, you'll see that at the bottom, the fat has gathered all together in the can. This is what you're going to be making your deep conditioner with, and what's going to give you that super fluffy, softening deep conditioner. Now just carefully take the fat out of the can and place it into a separate bowl with a spoon. The fat is where most of the nutrients are that nourish your hair strands and hair follicles. Make sure that you're getting it all out and that you at least have a majority of the can out. Here's what I was able to get from 1 can of coconut milk. Now you just want to prepare the rose oil, and rose oil has tons of benefits. To make the oil, you want to start off with some rose petals and add about 1 tablespoon of the rose petals to a pan on medium heat. Rose oil helps with hair growth, it reduces frizz, and it also smells amazing, which is a great addition to any deep conditioner. Next up, you want to grab your grapeseed oil and add about 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil to the rose petals. Stir the rose petals to get them thoroughly saturated into the grapeseed oil. Doing this just ensures that the nutrients from the rose petals are going to evenly distribute into the oil. So you may be wondering, how do you know when the rose oil is done? You can tell if the rose oil is done if the rose petal begins to lose color. It goes from bright pink to a dull brown color. The rose petals also appear more shriveled up. Once your oil is complete, you want to use a colander to strain the oil from the rose petals. Be careful at this step because the oil is hot and can burn you. Right now, I'm just shaking the pan a bit over the colander to make sure that all the rose petals are out and all the oil is getting strained into the bowl. Here's what the finished rose oil should look like. Once the rose oil cools down, add it to the coconut fat. For added hair growth benefits, add about a tablespoon of pumpkin seed oil to the coconut fat as well. Now with an automatic whisk, blend the coconut fat and oils all together. Whisk it on medium speed. The texture of the deep conditioner looks a bit grainy right now, but as you whisk, the texture will start fluffing up and becoming more uniform in texture. Here's what the texture should look like after about 5 to 6 minutes of blending the coconut fat with the oils. Make sure to get off the excess deep conditioner by lifting the automatic whisk a bit and then making it spin. The deep conditioner is all ready and it's a beautiful, smooth, fluffy texture. Prepare to transfer it into a jar by gathering all the deep conditioner together. Grabbing about a tablespoon of the deep conditioner at a time, prepare to transfer it into your jar of preference. If you don't plan on using this deep conditioner in the same day, you can store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. You can also store it in the freezer for up to a month, but after storing it in the fridge or freezer, you will have to re-blend it in order to get this fluffy, smooth consistency. Here is the application process of this deep conditioner. I'm absolutely loving how the texture is and I'm super excited about putting it in my hair. So to start off, I'm making sure to section my curls in order to get even distribution of this deep conditioner. I'm grabbing about a tablespoon at a time and then running it throughout each section of my curls, making sure that it's evenly applied throughout my hair. This deep conditioner does have a lot of slip and it's actually providing a lot of moisture to my hair, as you can see here. My hair is looking super fluffy right now, and then as I apply the deep conditioner, it goes down and it actually moisturizes my curls and thoroughly penetrates my hair strands. I'm also able to lightly finger detangle with this deep conditioner in my hair. I've noticed also that a little bit of this coconut milk deep conditioner goes a long way in my hair. I only need about a tablespoon or maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons for each section, and it thoroughly coats all of that section, which is amazing. Now once you finish applying, make sure to cover up your hair with a plastic baggie or shower cap for about 30 minutes. And then rinse it out. Here are my finished rinsed results and my curls are looking super shiny and moisturized. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.